Here is a severe weather statement from the Milwaukee, Wisconsin National Weather Service. The tornado warning for eastern Lafayette County has been canceled. At 5:57 p.m., National Weather Service radar indicated the severe thunderstorm that prompted the tornado warning that exited the warned area. The tornado warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. And now, an abbreviated forecast for Stevenson County.
Well, that's it.
Tornado watch until 9 p.m. Friday. Wind advisory for this evening.
Not a very good phone,
with scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Tornado heading right at me.
Thunderstorms may be severe, otherwise partly cloudy. Low near 50. Southwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour coming north of the coast. 35 miles an hour.
Shit. You going right into it? Yeah, it's on the ground. Circulation on the ground just behind me. Probably be hitting me here. Tornado on the ground, right in front of me. The roof of this house is coming apart.